How to clone voice in CapCut PC. So if you want to clone voice in your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your CapCut. Once you're in your CapCut, you need to just simply go and extract your audio. And once you have your audio right here, if you want to clone your voice, then you need to just simply go with the text section, which will be in the top. Or you can also go with your audio section and you will have an option of text to speech. If you found text to speech, then it's okay. But if you don't, then you need to go with the text section, go with add text. And here on the right side, you will find an option of text to speech. Now click on the custom voices and click on the plus button. You need to read the provided 10-second sample script aloud into your microphone and agree to the terms and save your new cloned voice profile. For example, I'll go with this one. Click on the plus button or create button, check the consent box, choose or kept the default prompt sentence and press the record button or go with generate speech. Speak clearly into your PC microphone for at least 5 to 30 seconds while reading the text on screen, then stop the recording. Wait for a few seconds for the AI to process and save your custom voice clone. Select your newly created voice, type any script that you want into the text box, and click on Generate Speech to apply it to your timeline.
That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.